Curious about what your YouTube channel could be earning? Our YouTube Money Calculator has got you covered. In just a few steps, you'll get a clear estimate of what your content is bringing in. To get started, simply search for RedSocial YouTube Money Calculator on your search engine, or click the link in the description below to go straight to the tool. Once you're on the page, it's easy to use. First, use the slider to set your average daily views. Let's say your channel typically gets 10,000 views each day, though it can vary. Slide over to 10,000, and now you're set for views. Next, enter your CPM, or cost per mille, the rate advertisers pay per 1,000 views. You can find this in YouTube Studio. For this example, let's put in a CPM of $13. Now, you'll instantly see your monthly and yearly view counts and get a breakdown of your daily, monthly, and yearly estimated earnings. For example, with 10,000 daily views and a $13 CPM, you'd see daily earnings of $130, a monthly estimate of $3,900, and a yearly total of $46,800. If this helped you get a better idea of your channel's potential, hit that like button and subscribe for more YouTube insights. Check out the tool using the link below. Thanks for watching.